Good evening everyone. So today we'll continue solution of equation in 1 and 2 variable. In this we'll study today Newton's method. So today we'll discuss about Newton's method. Let's take an example. Find the solution of the equation x cube minus 3x minus 5 equal to 0. Solve this by using Newton's method. Now see in the question, the equation is given. It is nothing but our fx. So fx equal to x cube minus 3x minus 5. So now in the place of x just substitute 0. So 0 cube minus 3 into 0 minus 5. So the answer is minus 5. Same, find f1. In the place of x, substitute 1. 1 cube minus 3 ones are 3 minus 5. So our answer will be minus 7. f2 is equal to minus 3. f3 is equal to 30. So we will stop here. Why? Because we got one negative and one positive value. Okay. So therefore x0 will be 2. So you can take 2 or also you can take 3. So I have taken 2. So now the formula is x n plus 1 equal to xn minus f xn by f dash xn. This is the formula for Newton's method. Xn plus 1 equal to xn minus fxn by f dash xn. So see, fx we have. So f dash x will be, you have to find the derivative. So it will be 3x square minus 3. And 5 derivative is 0 because constant. So we got fx, we got f dash x. So see in the formula. Therefore xn plus 1 equal to xn minus fxn. In the place of fxn, you will write fx. So our fx is x cube. So we will write xn cube minus 3x. So we will write minus 3xn. In the place of x, you will substitute xn. So it will become, fx will become fxn. So it will be xn cube minus 3xn minus 5 by f dash xn. So f dash x is given. Just substitute xn in the place of x. So it will be 3xn square minus 3. See, the formula is fxn. So we have fx. So just substitute fx and in the place of x, you will substitute xn. That's it. So fxn divided by f dash xn. Now just substitute the value. Put n equal to 0. We will substitute the values in this equation we got. Put n equal to 0. So here see, x0 plus 1 means it will become x1. x1 equal to x0 minus x0 cube minus 3x0 minus 5 divided by 3x0 square minus 3. Now tell me, x0 is given, see 2 minus x0 cube means 2 the whole cube minus 3 into 2 minus 5. 3, 2 square minus 3. Answer will be x1 we got 2 plus 1 by 3. So with the help of scientific calculator, you will calculate this. So your answer will be 2.3333 will be recurring. Up to 4 decimal you write. 2.3333. So we got x1. Now put n equal to 1. Put n equal to 1. So it will become x2 equal to x1 minus x1 cube minus 3x1 minus 5 divided by 3x1 square minus 3. So see, in the place of x1, you will substitute the value this. We have got now x1 equal to 2.3333. So just write 2.3333 minus 2.3333 whole cube minus 3, 2.333 minus 5. 3, 2.3333 square minus 3. With the help of scientific calculator, you will solve this. So the value of x2 will become 2.2805. So this is x2. Like this, put n equal to 2. So x3 is equal to x2 minus x2 cube minus 3x square minus 5 whole divided by 3x square minus 3. So in the place of x2, you will substitute 2.2805 minus 2.2805 the whole cube minus 3, 2.2805 minus 5 the whole divided by 3 x to the power 2. 2.2805 the whole square minus 3. So with the help of scientific calculator, we get x3 equal to 2.2790. Like this, put n equal to 3. So we got x4 equal to, in the place of x3, you will substitute this value. So with the help of scientific calculator, I got the value 2.2790. Now see, I will stop doing the calculation here. Why? Because see, x3 and x4, the values are similar, 2.2790. So I have stopped doing this solution. So this is our final solution. I hope you all understand. First of all, see here fx given. You have to find f dash x. Or in the fx, in the place of x, you will substitute 0, 1, 2, 3. Because we want one negative value and one positive value. So x0 will be, you can take either 2 or 3. So I have taken 2. This is the formula of Newton's method. Xn plus 1 equal to xn minus fxn by f dash xn. So just substitute fxn and f dash xn. This is the equation we get. So just substitute n equal to 0, n equal to 1, n equal to 2 in this equation. So I have stopped. Why? Because we got the same value x3 and x4. See, 2.2790. I hope you all understand. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.